Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this interesting example related to coordinate geometry, straight lines concept, slopes of straight lines. We have been given that a ray of light leaves the point 3, 4, reflects off the y-axis towards the x-axis, reflects off the x-axis and finally arrives at the point 8, 2. If the ray intersects x-axis at x, 0, then the value of x equal to how much? We have to find out the x coordinate of the point where it reflects off the x-axis. So we have drawn simple diagram here. This is my y, positive direction of y and x-axis respectively. A ray of light leaves the point 3, 4, reflects off y-axis towards x-axis and reflects off x-axis and finally arrives at the point 8, 2. So start from 3, 4, reflect off y-axis, reflect off x-axis and arrives at the point 8, 2. We have to get the x value. If the ray intersects x-axis at x, 0, we have to find out x value. So, to solve the problem, what will be our approach? The first thing we observe is the straight lines AB and the straight line CD are parallel to each other. How we can prove that? Let us say, start with saying that we know angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. So, angle is theta here. Now, we have 90 degrees between x-axis and y-axis. So we can see that the other line also makes an angle of theta with x-axis. That means we have corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that AB is parallel to CD. Now we can also see that by taking theta, theta, we can fill the remaining angles. We will see that we have two lines AB and CD making an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. That means tan theta is the slope for both of them. That means they both are parallel to each other. Not only that, let us take the slope of BC. What is the slope of BC? M is nothing but tan of the angle it makes, or the inclination angle made with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. That is 180 minus theta. So tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So we have equation of, we have slope of AB with us, we have slope of CD with us, we have slope of BC. We should be able to find out the value of x1 and y1. We are interested in value of x1. So we'll try to find it out. So first let's write down what is slope of CD. Let's start with what is slope of CD. We'll write down m of CD is equal to tan of theta from the figure. Tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So can I say 2 divided by 8 minus x1. Let us also find out slope of AB. Again tan of theta, that's equal to 4 minus y1 divided by 3. Now let's try to find out what is the slope of BC. Slope of BC equal to tan of the angle made with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction is 180 minus theta. Tan of 180 minus theta, that's equal to minus y1 divided by x1. Now let's try to equate all these values whatever we got. We understand that first one is tan theta equal to 2 by 8 minus x1 is equal to, second one is again tan theta, so I can write down 4 minus y1 by 3, that's equal to, now the third one is tan of 180 minus theta, that's nothing but minus tan theta, minus minus cancels, I can write down equal to y1 by x1. So we have two equations and two variables to solve. So let's go ahead and try to solve that. Before that, let me just write down here, tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So minus minus will cancel, you get tan theta equal to y1 by x1. All of these are equal to tan theta. All of these are equal to tan theta. So let's do, suppose let us do cross multiplication of 1 and 2 here. This 2 we can do cross multiplication, and this 2 we can do cross multiplication. Then we can get values of x1 and y1. Let us take 1 and 3 cross multiplication. We get 2x1 is equal to 8y1 minus x1 y1. And let us take now second and third. I will get 4x1 minus x1 y1 is equal to 3y1. First time we have did 1 and 3 cross multiplication. Second time we did second and 3 cross multiplication. From this I see that x1 y1 is common in both of them. So can I simplify them, or can I write down 2x1 minus 8y1, that's equal to minus x1 y1, is equal to 3y1 minus 4x1. What we have done, we have equated minus x1 y1 from both of them. Minus x1 y1 equal to 2x1 minus 8y1 or 3y1 minus 4x1. Now when I simplify, I get 6x1 is equal to 11y1, or can I write down y1 equal to 6x1 divided by 11. Now with this, whatever the value of y1 we got in terms of x1, I can go back to any two of the three. I can easily find out the value of now x1. So let's go to the next step. So we'll write down 2 divided by 8 minus x1 is equal to y1 divided by x1. But we know y1 equal to 6x1 divided by 11. We just found it. So we can write down that 2 by 8 minus x1 is equal to y1 is 6x1 by 11x1. x1 cancels. When we do cross multiplication, we get 22 equal to 48 minus 6x1, or can I say 6x1 equal to 26, or x1 equal to 26 by 6 or 13 by 3, which is equal to 41 by 3. So the solution is B here. So let's just try to recap this, what we have done. We have been given that a ray of light leaves 3, 4, reflects of y-axis, then reflects of x-axis and arrives at point 8, 2. Now we observed that doing a simple manipulation of angles, we are just putting down the angles, we are able to understand that AB is parallel to CD, and so therefore slope of AB equal to slope of CD, and also slope of BC is nothing but negative of whatever the slope of AB and CD we have, because we have tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So we have now two equations and two variables to find out. So we got 4 minus y1 divided by 3 equal to 2 by 8 minus x1 is equal to y1 divided by x1. These all are equal to tan theta. Now from taking them into two separate equations, solving them, we can find out that y1 equal to 6x by 11, and substituting that in any one of the two and with the 3, we can find out that x equal to 41 by 3. So that's one interesting example shared by one of the student, and I just thought I'll share that with you. Thanks for your time and support. I'll catch you once again. Till then, keep smiling and sharing. Bye for now.